Okay, I'm ready to bind off my cushion cover, and I am using the 3 needle bind off to do that. So I have counted back and found the halfway point of my stitches here, and I'm just going to pull that cable out. I'm using a circular needle for my cushion cover, so that way I have got the needles side by side. Actually, first of all, we need to turn this cover in so that the right sides are facing, so we're going to turn it inside out, and we are working with our right sides together. Okay, so now you can see there I've got the cable pulled out, so I've got my stitches side by side ready to go. So to do the 3 needle bind off, we need a 3rd needle, which is why it's called 3 needle bind off. So I have a straight needle here, so all we need to do is we knit the 2 front stitches at the same time, just like we normally would, but we're pulling through 2 stitches and take those 2 off the needles. And because I'm just starting my bind off, I need 2 stitches to bind off, so I am now knitting another 2 and slipping them off. Right, I've got 2 stitches over here, so I am just going to cast one off. So lift the back stitch over the front stitch, and we're just doing this loosely, so we don't need to pull anything tight. So then we knit the front 2 together so that we've got 2 stitches again on our right needle, and bind that one off. So lift the back one over the front one, knit the 2 stitches at the front together, and slide them off. Now we have 2 stitches on our 3rd needle, so we lift the back one over the front and continue throughout all of the stitches until we have 1 stitch left. Nearly finished. It is a little bit awkward with these big needles, but also pretty quick, and we get a nice even bind off. Right, last one. Okay, this way. So I have 1 stitch left, so we're just going to pull that needle out. So you can see our beautiful finish there. Let's snip our tail and weave that back into our last stitch and just pull it tight. Then we're going to weave in that end and weave in all the other ends, and I'll just show you what that looks like on the right side of our work. So yeah, check that out. Beautiful seam right there, and that is our gorgeous cushion cover.